Hello, welcome back to my channel. Oh, as you can see, someone needs to keep me out of the stores, either Walmart or Home Depot. Yeah, so let's talk about what I picked up today. And help. Okay, so I got a new blueberry bush. This is the, which one is this? The blue cap. This is blue cap blueberry, and this is from Walmart, $6.97, and it's already got some leaves going. Try to get them with leaves on them, because at least you know they're still alive. And I got these little pots from Dollar Tree. I have 4 of them in here. I'm thinking about doing my strawberries in here, so we'll see. And then I also picked up a raspberry. I thought I had a raspberry bush, but I don't know. I didn't see any raspberry the past gardening season, so I have a new raspberry bush. Okay. Then I also picked up a blackberry, a new blackberry. So I have a new blackberry, and it's also have lots of beautiful leaves on it, and it looks really healthy, so I'm happy about that. Also $6.97 for these, so yeah. And then I have a grape. So this is a seedless grape, and it is really long. You know, try to make sure that you know that it's still alive and, you know, still going. So this is what I got from Walmart. These are all from Walmart. And I got some sweet potato. I've never grown potatoes before, so I got some sweet potato. They're already chitin, so I got that because of that reason, because I've never grown potatoes before. So we will see how that turns out. Okay, that's also from Walmart. This grape is from Home Depot, and it's a Concord grape, and this one is $10.98, and so we will see. This is all also has some beautiful foliage on it that's coming in. Okay, so this is the only one I got from Home Depot. They're cheaper at Walmart. So Home Depot, I think these used to be 6 something, because I remember purchasing them for 6 something. I don't ever remember purchasing grapes before at Home Depot for $10. This year all the prices have doubled, and it's shocking. Okay. Walmart is still the same, because I remember purchasing for the same price. So, or maybe $1 more, but not a whole $10. But I wanted some Concord grapes, so we got those. Okay, now I got strawberries. So I have June bearing strawberries. So in this pack there's 10, and for $3.24. That's not bad. That is excellent. And I think they're already starting to wake up, because I can see like little leaves in there. So I have 2 packs of those. And then over here I have the Everbearing, and let's see, yeah, I think they're all there. Oh yes, you can see all of that beautiful growth in there already, so I am very happy about that. So I have 2 bags of those. Okay, 2 bags of Everbearing from Walmart. So That's good. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it again. I'm growing my onions from seeds, but I'm also going to try onion sets. So I have this bag for 100 onions for $3.24. I'm going to try them, and as you can see, they're already starting to the thing. So as soon as it's not snowing in the middle of March, we will get the garden set up. Okay, now I have 3 asparagus. There 4 roots in each bag, $3.24, not bad. This one is a Mary Washington. I have how many? I think I have 1. It's 2 Mary Washington or 1. Okay, so just 1 Mary Washington. And then I have Jersey Giants, and they have 3 inside. Okay, so the Jersey Giant only have 3 inside. And let's see how old. Did they tell you how old it is? I don't think it tells you how old it is, but I'm roughly saying maybe 2 year, maybe a 2-year crown. I think they're usually 2-year crowns when you buy them like this. So even should be leveled. Some sparrows may harvest the first year on the limit basis. Each year you may harvest may increase. Yeah, so I think this is a 2-year crown. Because this is from last year most likely, and then yes, it is. So it's a 2-year crown, as you can see there. And these are all from Walmart. I need to stay out of Walmart. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so I have 2 Jersey Giants, and I'm also growing asparagus from seed. But of course, when you cannot wait, you wanna get a jump on it. So this is my haul for the upcoming gardening season, and I cannot wait. Cannot stress how much.